So guys, today we're going to be talking about my absolute favorite topic. That's right, kitting and bundling. Today I'm going to tell you what is kitting and bundling. I'm going to give you a little bit of information about how you can use kitting and bundling to grow your sales on Amazon, eBay, all those e-commerce channels. Let's get started. So guys, they say you should do one good deed a day. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and feel good about yourself. You earned it. Okay, now back to the content. So guys, we're going to be talking about kitting and bundling. Like I said, it's one of my favorite subjects because there's just so much you can do with this. So kitting and bundling is when you take a SKU and that SKU is comprised of other components that create a kit or a bundle. So for example, you can have thousands of listings made out of just a couple items because there's different ways to combine these items in different quantities and things like that. This is a great way to grow your catalog, and it's one of my favorite things about kitting and bundling. With kitting and bundling, there are different types of kits and different types of bundles that you can do. Whether you're fulfilling yourself or your shipping provider has the ability to put items together at the shipping stage, you can do what's known as kitting on demand. So kitting on demand is, when the kitting actually happens at the packing station. Recently, Amazon has launched kitting on demand. However, they ship multiple items from multiple different warehouses, so they're not all coming in the same box, and this can lead to added costs. But kitting on demand is very powerful. It's a super powerful tool because it allows you to have all your inventory in one central place. Yet you can make that inventory into countless items that are made on demand. You don't have to have this stuff just sitting around, already put in the kits. So it can save a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of inventory costs. So, I really emphasize kitting on demand. I think it's a powerful tool, and it's something that, has made a lot of money for me selling in e-commerce. The second type of kitting that I can tell you about is pre-kitting or, pre-built kits. So pre-built kits are when you go ahead and you produce a set number of quantity of your kit ahead of time so that way they can just be easily put into a box and fulfilled. This would be like, let's say we're selling 3 extension cords. We want to have them put together and then ran through a shrink machine so that way they're a nice, saleable final unit. This can be really good, especially if you're, selling these items retail as well, to have them already prepackaged into that bundle. You might have seen this in the store when you go to buy an Xbox or a PlayStation, when they have the box, but it comes with the game and the controller and all that stuff, and they call it, the PS4 Mega Bundle or whatever. So I want you guys to think of, pre-kitting like, that PS4 Mega Bundle. And then the final type of kitting you can do is just quantity bundling. So this is when you're selling something and you want to sell it in multiple quantities. Now let's say you have a pillow and you want to sell that pillow in a single unit, a 2-pack, and a 4-pack, because people have different size beds and need different amounts of pillows and things like that. Just like kitting on demand and pre-kitting, you have the same ability here to make these kits available on your website for sale, and then they can be kitted either at the packing station or ahead of time. So this is a great way to take a single item like one pillow and turn it into 3, 4, 5 listings just like that. And that's really the power of kitting and bundling, is this multiplier effect. The idea that, you can take 1 or 2 items, combine them in countless different combinations and quantities, and in no time, you have a full storefront. Your shelves are stocked online. You're taking up a lot of digital real estate, and you're making a footprint for yourself. And that's why kitting and bundling is so powerful. Another reason why I'm a huge advocate for kitting and bundling is shipping. So whether you're shipping 1 item or 2 items or 3 items or 4 items, the difference is marginal at best. I mean, you might pay $8 to ship the first item, but by the time you put 2 in that box, you might be up to $9.50. So it's just a marginal increase in shipping. That allows you to sell this bundle at a lower price than what you would sell the individual components, yet you make more money at the end of the day. If I take two $10 extension cords and put them in a box together and sell them for $15, and my shipping goes from $6 to $7.50, I make more money selling them for less money each. So kitting and bundling can be this powerful tool because it allows you to create more value for the buyer. So guys, the main takeaways I want you to get from here is that kitting and bundling really has two major advantages. The first major advantage is that it allows you to multiply your catalog like that. You're able to take a couple products, mix them together in different combinations and quantities, and all of a sudden you got hundreds or thousands of listings from just a couple products. So you're really able to stock those shelves and fill up that store. The second big benefit, like I said before, is the ability to pass on some savings to your customer than if they were buying these individually, while at the same time getting more money into your pocket at the end of the day. Because when you ship in, bulk, in larger quantities, a lot of times you're saving money because the label price only increases a little bit compared to if you were sending that thing separately. So guys, I really think that kitting and bundling needs to be a key part of your strategy. I'd love to hear how some of you guys are using kitting and bundling to enhance your businesses. Like I said, it's one of my favorite tools in my toolbox, and I really hope that you guys got some value out of this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, all that mumbo jumbo. But we're coming at you every week with new content. We hope you'll join us because you know what? It's not the Shipmate Squad without you.